When people talk about reliability, one brand almost always dominates the conversation: Toyota. The reputation is simple cars that start every morning, survive neglect, and keep going long after logic says they should stop. BMW, on the other hand, usually lives in a different category. Enthusiast-driven, performance-oriented, and sometimes complex, BMW is rarely the first name mentioned when reliability comes up. But that perception doesn't tell the whole story. There are specific BMW models built during very particular periods that quietly earned a reputation for Toyota-like dependability. These are cars that mechanics don't fear, owners keep for decades, and mileage numbers that look impossible for a performance-oriented brand. They were designed before extreme turbocharging, before overcomplicated electronics, and before cost-cutting became the norm. Instead, they relied on conservative engine tuning, robust mechanical layouts, and proven components. Here are 6 BMW models that repeatedly prove BMW can be just as reliable as Toyota when engineered correctly. 1. BMW E39. Among mechanics, the E39 528i is often described as one of the most balanced BMWs ever made. At the heart of this car is a naturally aspirated inline-6 engine that avoids stress and complexity. It does not rely on turbochargers, direct injection, or aggressive tuning. Instead, it delivers smooth power in a way that allows internal components to age slowly and predictably. The cooling system, often cited as a weak point on some BMWs, is manageable here because the engine operates well within its limits. When serviced properly, failures are rare and gradual, not sudden. The transmission options paired with this engine are also known for longevity. Automatic units, when maintained, routinely reach high mileage without major internal work. What really elevates the E39 528i is its chassis durability. Suspension geometry, bushings, and steering components wear slowly compared to many modern vehicles. Combined with excellent build quality, this makes the car feel solid even after decades of use. Many owners report mileage figures comparable to Toyota sedans from the same era, a rare achievement for a luxury sports sedan. 2. BMW E46. The E46 330i is often considered the sweet spot of BMW's early 2000s lineup. This model uses a refined version of BMW's inline-6 philosophy: smooth, naturally aspirated, and engineered with generous tolerances. It avoids forced induction and excessive electronic intervention, which significantly reduces long-term failure risks. Mechanics often praise this engine for its resilience. Internal components are strong, oil circulation is effective, and the engine does not suffer from the chronic overheating issues seen in later turbocharged models. The E46 platform also benefits from relatively straightforward electronics. Diagnostic systems are simple, wiring is logical, and control modules are not overly integrated with each other. This makes repairs easier and prevents cascading failures. From a reliability standpoint, the E46 330i behaves much like a Toyota, not because it never breaks, but because it fails predictably and can be repaired without financial shock. That predictability is exactly what long-term owners value most. 3. BMW E34. The E34 525i represents BMW during a period when over-engineering was still standard practice. This car was built with durability in mind. Thick metal, conservative power output, and mechanical systems designed for longevity rather than peak performance define the platform. The inline-6 engine found in this model is known for smooth operation and long service life. It runs at low stress levels, which helps reduce wear over time. Many examples still operate with original engines well beyond mileage. Most modern cars never reach. Mechanics often compare the E34's reliability to Toyota's older sedans because of its mechanical honesty. There are no hidden complexities or fragile systems waiting to fail unexpectedly. Interior materials, body structure, and drivetrain components all age gracefully. Even when parts eventually wear out, replacements are straightforward and affordable compared to modern luxury vehicles. The E34 525i proves that durability doesn't have to come at the cost of driving enjoyment. 4. BMW E36. While often overshadowed by the M3, the E36 328i may be one of the most reliable BMWs of its era. This model benefits from a relatively simple mechanical layout paired with an engine that strikes an ideal balance between performance and longevity. It produces enough power to feel engaging, but not enough to strain internal components. Mechanics appreciate the E36 328i because it lacks many of the failure-prone systems introduced in later generations. Electronics are limited, and most components can be serviced without specialized equipment. The suspension design is also durable, with components that wear evenly rather than catastrophically. This leads to consistent handling even as mileage increases. In daily use, the E36 328i behaves much like a Toyota sports sedan. Reliable, predictable, and capable of running for years with routine maintenance. 5. BMW E60. At first glance, the E60 generation might seem like an odd choice for a reliability list. However, the 530i variant stands apart from the rest of the lineup. This model avoids turbocharging and relies on a naturally aspirated inline-six that is tuned conservatively. Compared to higher performance versions, it experiences significantly less mechanical stress. While the E60 introduced more electronics than previous generations, the 530i configuration remains one of the most stable. When maintained properly, electrical issues are manageable rather than overwhelming. Mechanics often note that owners who choose the 530i instead of more complex variants experience ownership satisfaction levels similar to Toyota drivers. The car may not be flawless, but it rarely delivers unpleasant surprises. It offers a modern driving experience while maintaining long-term reliability that exceeds expectations for its class. 6. BMW E83. The first-generation BMW X3, particularly in naturally aspirated configurations, quietly earned a reputation for toughness. Built before BMW SUVs became heavily turbocharged and electronically complex, the E83 uses proven drivetrains shared with BMW sedans. These systems were already well understood and refined by the time they appeared in the X3. Mechanics often point out that the E83's reliability is closer to Toyota's SUVs than many people expect. Drivetrain components are robust, and the vehicle handles long-term use without excessive wear. The all-wheel drive system, when serviced correctly, is durable and predictable. Suspension components are designed to handle mixed driving conditions, which contributes to long service life. For owners seeking a practical BMW with Toyota-like dependability, the E83 X3 remains one of the most underrated options. Final thoughts. What unites these 6 models is engineering restraint. They were built during a time when BMW prioritized balance over extreme performance. Engines were naturally aspirated, power outputs were conservative, and mechanical systems were designed to survive decades rather than chase short-term gains. Toyota's reputation is built on those same principles. When BMW followed them, the result was cars that could genuinely compete with Toyota on reliability without sacrificing driving pleasure. Reliability is not about perfection. It's about consistency, predictability, and resilience. These BMW models prove that when the brand gets it right, it can produce vehicles that last just as long as the most respected Japanese sedans and SUVs. They may not wear a Toyota badge, but in real-world ownership, they often deliver the same peace of mind with far more personality behind the wheel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into BMW reliability from a mechanic's perspective, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing for more long-form automotive content, and sharing your experience in the comments.